Hey bro, random question.
Yes, bro.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 2006.
So, in your birthday, is there any maritime history or incident that happened?
I remember a tragic event that happened during my birthday. So, on January 2, 1908, a Liberian bulk carrier carrying iron ore from Canada to UK sunk during its voyage in the Northern Sea because it faced a severe storm and all its 32 crew members died.
So, what is the significance that happened in that incident?
So after this tragic incident or event, the IMO posed a more strict regulations in terms of the ship's design as well as the crew training and the regular inspections on vessels before they proceed to sea. So yeah.
So, oh, that's nice, but it's a tragic event if we cannot.
So did you know also an event, American event that happened during your birthday?
Yes, on my birthday on June 14th, 2023, there is a fishing trawler named Adriana. Then there are 750 people on board. Then 104 were the survivors. Then 82 bodies were found. Then the last and the remaining numbers were missing. Presumed that there are 568. It happened because of capsizing.
So, did you know any significant contributions?
So the significant contribution to the tragic event is migration crisis in the Mediterranean Sea, and they stricter border policy and powerful migration of the migration crisis that have the unsafe routes. So that's all.